Okay, Sophia, a quick video for you. The only area where we see it's missing footing, it's around this corner. If I have to guess, maybe deteriorated or over the time you see some roots. We see a lot of roots, so maybe the roots penetrated and broke it over time and it just disintegrated to the ground. We have about 5 feet missing footing. Okay, this is the test for our drainage system. It goes all the way there into the pit. The pit is currently 8 feet deep. Okay, this is our end results. We connected the rain gutter downspouts. We installed some surface drainage, clean out. Everything is looking great. We have a concrete walkway with drainage built in inside. Everything is heading right there. There's a drainage pit.